Hello, in today's video, I will teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Open Excel and select the cells where you want to create the drop-down list. Go to Data in the tab Excel ribbon. Click on Data Validation button in Data Tools group. This will open Data Validation dialog box. In the Settings tab of Data Validation, a dialog box select list from the Allow drop-down menu. In the search field, you have two options. If your list value are located in a range of cells, you can enter the cells range. Or if your list value are specific or not in the range, you can enter them directly, separated by commas. Now click OK to close Data Validation dialog box. As you can see, now when you select the cells you specified, a drop-down arrow will appear. Clicking on the arrow will display the values you entered in the cell.